Okay, so it's like the end of January. It's a Friday. I didn't take the work today. And I'm going down to buy a tractor. Well, gonna go look at one. Me and little Mila, and getting her out of school early. So, something she'll remember and, you know, be something her and I can do together, because it's my first time too. So I'm gonna put a nice video together of my first experience of buying a John Deere tractor. Tractors. Yeah. What? What do you think they're gonna be?
I think they're gonna be bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I said bigger.
Hmm.
I said bigger.
Oh, okay. How big? Well, we're gonna have to pick out the right one. Are you gonna drive it?
I think it's gonna be for building.
Yeah, I think you're right. We can build a lot of stuff with it.
Yeah.
Them big houses.
That big house.
Jeez, P. Who lives out here? The president. Woo. Jeez. They are. Holy smokes. P. Jeez, my knees. Here we go.
Dad, you still got your green phone?
Yep. Still got it. There we go. There they are. Whoa, P. P.
I'd pick one out.
Yeah, let's go pick one out. Let's go see which one we want. Go ahead, climb up on there. Go ahead. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? You want to get this one? That's so cool. Look at you, P. All right. Look at you.
Yeah.
All right, ready? There you go. Look at that. You did it. Look at that. What do you think?
You want the key so you can go drive it?
You want to drive it away? Daddy better get another job. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cool. Jeez.
Keep up this hand and go like this.
What you think about the tractors?
Good.
You have fun?
Yeah.
I like them.
Hey, Daddy.
What?
I wish there was a lot of seats for me, brother, you.
Yeah, we need more seats, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll figure that out. I had fun, man. Wow.
Big moment for him.
Yeah. Got Nico's truck loaded up. Yes, sir. Heading to camp. All right. There goes our tractor.
Is it that big?
Yep, that's it. Alright, we got the dogs. Little guy back here. Was she checking out the kid? Oh shit. Terry Kale, baby. Oh, Big Ridge. Here we go.
Want to figure it out.
All right, there it is up ahead. We're gaining on her. There she is. Heading home. Old girl's heading home. I'll wreck into the back of it, right?
Yeah,
There she is. So I just want to tell you how great my experience was with Terry Kale in Knox, PA. He treated me so great. They delivered it, dropped it off, and he had it waiting for me in the driveway the first day I came to look at it. He was a great guy. All the people that were working there, super friendly, and they really, that was my first time ever buying a tractor. So for me, I didn't know what I was really getting into, and Terry and everybody that was working there really showed me what I needed, and it wasn't that I wanted it, as Terry would say, I needed it. So again, if you're going to buy a tractor, I would highly recommend a good dealer. They went over everything with me, showed me all the controls, and everything that I needed to know was checked off. So when I left there, I really felt good about my purchase, and I can't thank them guys enough.
Don't wreck into the house.